3 shocking superfoods to instantly soothe leg cramps, a senior's secret to stronger legs. Do painful leg cramps keep you up at night? You're not alone. Millions of seniors struggle with sudden, sharp cramps that rob them of sleep and peace of mind. But what if the solution was already in your kitchen? Today, we're revealing 3 shocking superfoods scientifically proven to instantly soothe leg cramps and strengthen your legs, especially after 60. These aren't your usual health tips. Each one is a game changer for anyone tired of battling muscle pain. And here's the best part. If you stick around until the end, we've got a bonus tip that could completely transform how you manage cramps for good. Let's dive in. You won't want to miss this. Have you ever been jolted awake in the dead of night by a sharp, stabbing cramp in your calf? Or felt your legs suddenly seize up after a simple stroll, or even while sitting down? If so, you are not alone. More than 60% of seniors report experiencing leg cramps on a regular basis. These aren't just minor annoyances. They can sap your strength, disturb your sleep, and chip away at your confidence in ways that often go unnoticed. We often brush these cramps off as just a normal part of getting older, but the reality is they can have a real impact on your quality of life. Imagine being afraid to exercise, hesitating to take a walk, or dreading bedtime because of the looming threat of that sudden, sharp pain. For many seniors, this becomes a daily struggle, an invisible battle that drains energy and confidence. So what's really going on here? Why do these cramps seem to strike out of nowhere? The truth is, leg cramps are your body's way of waving a red flag. They signal that something is out of balance. And once you understand the root causes, you can take meaningful steps to stop them in their tracks. Let's break down the 3 main culprits. In plain, simple terms. Keycap 1. Muscle fatigue. As we age, we naturally lose muscle strength and flexibility. Everyday tasks, whether it's gardening, climbing stairs, or standing for long periods, can push tired muscles beyond their limit. When muscles are overworked or stressed, they can contract suddenly and painfully. This is especially true if you've been less active for a while, or if you've recently upped your activity level. Keycap 2. Dehydration. Did you know that your body's thirst signals weaken as you age? This means you might not feel thirsty even when your body desperately needs fluids. Dehydration can sneak up on you, especially in warm weather or after even light physical activity. When your body doesn't have enough water, your muscles become more prone to tightening and cramping. Keycap 3. Mineral imbalance. This one often surprises people. Essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium are crucial for muscle function. They help your muscles contract and relax properly. But here's the catch. Many seniors don't get enough of these minerals. Why? Diet, medications, and certain health conditions can all deplete your body's reserves. When your mineral balance is off, your muscles struggle, and cramps are the result. You might be thinking, I drink water, I eat well, so why do I still get cramps? Great question. The answer is that even small imbalances can add up over time. One skipped glass of water, a few days of extra activity, or a minor shortfall in key nutrients can quietly set the stage for muscle cramps. The good news? Leg cramps are common, yes, but they are not something you have to just accept. By tuning into your body's needs and making simple, manageable adjustments, you can dramatically reduce cramps and regain confidence in your body's strength and resilience. In the next chapter, we'll dive into specific superfoods that can replenish your muscles and stop cramps before they start. Foods that are simple, delicious, and easy to add to your routine. Stay tuned, because relief is closer than you think. Now that we've uncovered the hidden epidemic of leg cramps in seniors, it's time to talk solutions. And the first one might surprise you. Meet superfood number 1, the humble banana. You might be thinking, really? A banana? Yes. But here's what most people don't realize. Bananas are absolute powerhouses when it comes to muscle health, especially for seniors. The secret weapon? Potassium. Potassium is a vital mineral that helps regulate your muscles and nerves. When your potassium levels drop, even slightly, your muscles can become irritable and prone to cramping. This is because potassium plays a key role in making sure your muscles contract and relax smoothly. Without enough potassium, your muscles can misfire, leading to those sharp, painful cramps we all dread. And here's a shocking fact. Most seniors don't get enough potassium, whether it's due to dietary changes, medications like diuretics, or just the natural aging process, potassium levels can quietly fall below optimal without any obvious symptoms until cramps hit. That's where bananas come in. One medium banana packs around 400 to 450 milligrams of potassium, making it one of the easiest and tastiest ways to replenish your body's stores naturally. Bananas are also gentle on the stomach, quick to digest, and super versatile. Try eating one banana a day, especially in the evening. Why? Because nighttime is when leg cramps most often strike, and giving your body a potassium boost before bed can help keep your muscles calm and relaxed while you sleep. Not a fan of plain bananas? No problem. Here are a few easy ways to sneak them into your routine. Add slices to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Blend one into a smoothie with spinach and almond milk. Mash it onto whole grain toast with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Now, you might wonder, isn't potassium found in other foods too? Absolutely. While bananas are famous for their potassium, you can also find it in sweet potatoes, avocados, spinach, and even beans. But bananas have a unique advantage. They're portable, affordable, and require zero preparation. No peeling, chopping, or cooking, just grab and go. It's also important to listen to your body. If you're taking certain medications, like blood pressure pills or water tablets, your doctor may have already warned you about potassium. Always double-check before making major dietary changes, especially if you have kidney issues or are on a low-potassium diet. But for most people, adding a banana a day is a simple, safe, and effective way to fight back against cramps and to keep your legs strong, flexible, and cramp-free. So next time you're grocery shopping, don't overlook this everyday hero. It might just be the simplest change that makes the biggest difference in your battle against leg cramps. And remember, this is just the beginning. We've got 2 more cramp fighting superfoods coming up next that you won't want to miss. Stay tuned for the next one. It's a leafy green that packs a surprisingly powerful punch. We've talked about the potassium power of bananas. Now let's turn our attention to another superfood that deserves a spot on your plate: spinach. You might think spinach is just another leafy green, but here's something you probably don't know. It's a magnesium magic maker, and it could be the missing link in your fight against leg cramps. Spinach isn't just great for salads. It's one of the richest natural sources of magnesium, a mineral that plays a critical role in muscle relaxation. In fact, magnesium helps regulate muscle and nerve function, making sure your muscles don't overreact and cramp up unexpectedly. And here's something that might surprise you. Up to 50% of seniors may be magnesium deficient. Why? As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing magnesium, and certain medications, like diuretics and heart medications, can further deplete your stores. This often happens silently, without symptoms, until, of course, your muscles start to protest with painful cramps. If fresh spinach feels like too much work, frozen spinach is a fantastic option. It's pre-washed, pre-chopped, and just as nutritious, perfect for tossing into soups or casseroles without any fuss. If you're on blood thinners like warfarin, you've likely been told to watch your vitamin K intake. And spinach is high in vitamin K. That doesn't mean you have to avoid it altogether, but it's a good idea to keep your intake consistent. And talk to your doctor if you're making big dietary changes. The bottom line? Spinach is an easy, affordable, and incredibly effective tool to help keep leg cramps at bay. By boosting your magnesium intake naturally, you'll give your muscles exactly what they need to stay calm, relaxed, and cramp-free. And we're not done yet. Up next, we'll introduce you to a surprising third superfood that not only helps prevent cramps, but also supports gut health and immunity. Stay tuned for that one. We've covered potassium and magnesium, but now it's time to talk about another key player in the fight against leg cramps: calcium. And the easiest and tastiest way to get it? Greek yogurt. Many seniors don't realize that calcium deficiency can be a hidden trigger for muscle cramps. Calcium isn't just important for strong bones. It's also essential for muscle contraction and relaxation. When your calcium levels drop, your muscles can become hypersensitive, leading to those dreaded cramps that strike at the worst times. But that's not all. Dehydration often plays a double role in triggering cramps, especially in seniors. As we age, our sense of thirst naturally declines, making it easier to become mildly dehydrated, even without realizing it. This is where Greek yogurt shines. It's a 2-in-1 powerhouse, rich in calcium and hydrating thanks to its high water content. That makes it a simple, delicious way to double down on two major cramp-fighting fronts at once. 1 6-ounce cup of Greek yogurt typically provides about 15% of your daily calcium needs, along with protein and probiotics that support digestion and overall health. It's also incredibly versatile, whether you like it sweet, savory, or somewhere in between. There's a way to make it work for you. Enjoy a cup of Greek yogurt as a quick breakfast, afternoon snack, or even a light dessert. And for an extra punch, pair it with banana slices. You'll be combining potassium, calcium, and hydration, a cramp-busting trifecta that's hard to beat. Not in a plain yogurt. Here are some simple, delicious ways to jazz it up. Stir in a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Add a handful of berries or sliced peaches. Sprinkle with nuts or seeds for added crunch and extra magnesium. Mix in a spoonful of natural peanut butter for richness and flavor. And don't worry if you're lactose intolerant. Many seniors are surprised to learn that Greek yogurt contains less lactose than regular yogurt, and the probiotics it contains actually help your body digest lactose more easily. Still sensitive? Look for lactose-free Greek yogurt options. They're widely available now. For the best benefits, choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Flavored versions can sneak in added sugars, which may cause inflammation and counteract some of the benefits we're after. Keep it simple and let the toppings bring in the flavor. And here's the bigger picture. Adding Greek yogurt to your routine isn't just about stopping leg cramps. It's about building strength and resilience from the inside out. Calcium keeps your bones and muscles strong. Hydration keeps everything functioning smoothly. And the added protein supports muscle repair and growth, all crucial as we age. So, next time you're planning your meals, don't underestimate the power of this creamy, delicious superfood. With Greek yogurt on your side, you're not just enjoying a snack, you're making a smart, proactive choice to keep leg cramps at bay and your body feeling its best. And remember, there's still that bonus tip coming up, one that could completely change how you manage leg cramps for good. Stick around, you won't want to miss it. You've now got 3 powerful superfoods in your toolkit. But here's the bonus tip that might be the real game changer: hydration. Believe it or not, even if you're eating all the right foods, if you're not properly hydrated, your muscles can still cramp up at the worst moments. Hydration isn't just about drinking water when you feel thirsty. In fact, by the time you feel thirsty, your body is often already dehydrated. And for seniors, this challenge is even greater. As we age, our body's natural thirst signal becomes less reliable, making it all too easy to fall into a pattern of low-level dehydration without even realizing it. Why is this important? Because dehydration directly affects your muscles' ability to function properly. When your body lacks enough fluids, muscle cells shrink and become more excitable, making them far more likely to cramp. Add to that electrolyte imbalances like low sodium, potassium, or magnesium, and you've got a recipe for discomfort. That's why today's bonus tip is so crucial. It's not just about drinking water. It's about hydrating smarter. Your actionable advice? Keep hydration steady and intentional throughout your day. Aim for at least 6 to 8 cups of water daily, and more if you're active, sweating, or in hot weather. But here's a simple twist that can make a big difference. Add a natural electrolyte boost to your water. Just a pinch of salt and a splash of fresh lemon juice turns plain water into a simple, effective homemade electrolyte drink. The salt provides essential sodium, and the lemon offers potassium and a burst of flavor, encouraging you to sip more often. If you're not a fan of lemon, try these easy alternatives. Add a few slices of cucumber or orange to your water for a refreshing twist. Infuse your water with mint leaves for a cooling, soothing drink. Or keep it super simple with a dash of electrolyte powder. Just make sure it's low in added sugars. And don't forget, hydration isn't only about water. Foods like watermelon, cucumbers, oranges, and even soups count toward your fluid intake too. Including more of these in your meals is a sneaky way to stay hydrated without even thinking about it. A quick word of caution: if you have any medical conditions, especially heart, kidney, or liver issues, it's always wise to consult your doctor before making significant changes to your fluid or electrolyte intake. Staying balanced is key. The bottom line? Hydration is your silent ally. It keeps your muscles supple, your nerves firing smoothly, and your whole body working at its best. By making hydration a daily priority, you're setting yourself up for fewer cramps, more energy, and a better quality of life. So, as you put everything you've learned today into practice, remember that hydration plus smart nutrition equals strong, cramp-free legs. Thank you for watching, and here's to keeping your legs strong, your body hydrated, and your days cramp-free. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical health tips just for seniors. All right, let's quickly bring it all together so you can start feeling the benefits right away. White heavy checkmark bananas, your potassium powerhouse. This simple fruit helps keep your muscles balanced and can prevent painful cramps. Whether in your oatmeal, a smoothie, or as a snack, one banana a day goes a long way. White heavy checkmark spinach, your source of magnesium magic. This leafy green supports muscle relaxation, fighting off cramps before they even start. Toss it in a salad, soup, or stir-fry a few times a week for best results. White heavy checkmark Greek yogurt, the calcium and hydration combo. Not only does it fuel your muscles with much-needed calcium, but it also helps you stay hydrated. Two crucial elements to keeping cramps at bay. Perfect with some banana slices for a double punch. And of course, don't overlook your bonus weapon, droplet hydration. Stay mindful of your water intake. Steady hydration throughout your day is key. Add that splash of lemon and pinch of salt when you need a natural electrolyte boost to keep your muscles happy and healthy. These small daily habits can transform how your body feels, helping you stay active, strong, and free from those frustrating leg cramps that can hold you back. If you found today's video helpful, do me a favor. Give it a thumbs up to let me know you're enjoying this kind of practical advice. And please, share it with a friend or loved one who might also be battling leg cramps. They'll thank you for it. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to Senior Sense. We're building a wonderful community focused on daily health, wellness, and lifestyle tips tailored just for seniors, helping you stay strong, independent, and feeling your best every single day. Thank you so much for watching. Keep up the great work taking care of your body, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay well and stay strong.